we are in Levi's room, and he has some glow sticks put up on his ceiling fan. So I'm going to turn off the light. He has 2 yellow balloons there, and then let's see here. Here it goes on low, and medium, and high. We'll do a quick light on in case you want to see the balloons. There's some balloons there. Back to light off. And oh, the balloons are going bonkety bonk bonk. And then we'll do a spin down. Levi got these glow sticks in his stocking for Christmas. And so we thought they'd be pretty neat on his fan, which I think they are, if I do say so myself, because it was my idea. I'm gonna toot my horn a little bit of what a good idea it was. And there she is. Okay.